who is the coaching consultant with Kat Manangit, looking for a way through. Goes to Camson inside. And Camson. DNS. That's a foul. Count the basket as well.
That's what I've been saying about Ray Vienes.
John Formento. Formento looking for a way through. He just knows how to put the ball in the hoop.
17.
Tayong Tong, the drive. Off-balance shot won't go. Manangit with a rebound. Goes to Camson. He puts it in.
Same spot. That hook shot has been a friend to Eric Camson.
Vienes with a three. Bucket. Walking bucket. Oh, don't look fast. Ian. Dugay Manilani! Sports Plus, the official sports book of the MPBL. Escobar to Lani for the two-handed flush. Exploits in the Panalay circuit. Formento is open. Lista mo na yan. Master na yung pabandang tres, ha? Matt De Leon. Wow!
Well, it's good to see the start on the offense of Caloocan early on.
Jeremy Mahinay bulldozes his way.
Going back here, just a quick shoulder bump.
Right at the chest.
Yeah, we actually adopted him for 3 years. So he lived with us. So parang
Kim
kapatid ko
Cinco
yan.
Gregorio.
That's right.
Okay.
That's right. Came here, ang pamilya ni Kim nasa Cavite lang. And he didn't have anyone in Manila. So we stepped up for 3 years. Nakaka-proud lang to see that he is coaching very well. Scouting. You know, credit to him. I think he was the main scout for Mindoro when they had a close game against Quezon. Yeah, they always needs given the chance.
Manday attacks and he will score.
He always has a lot of things to add, always can score in any way, and that's why he's still given a lot of chances. Oh my God! But Kasin is about 4 inches taller, but yep, it's Formento getting that assist.
Mel Razon attacks the closeout. Jumper money.
Better ball rotation on the side of Caloocan for a pull right there, and he might have a reason to ask that.
Camson on the other end. He will finish. Alatica. CJ Alatica. Dire-diretso. No good. Kalahat with the rebound.
Look at the heart of this kid. CJ Alatica, he missed.
Minutes. Itong Negros. Steal by Formento. Oh my. How is that not a foul?
I know. Took them a while to actually call for a whistle.
Chance for the last shot here.
Oh, put him in the foul. He got hit on the face. Itong si Diputado.
Kasin to Cabanag. Razon for two. Diputado to Alatica. Ball fake. Fade away. Yes! CJ Alatica. Pader eh. Pader yung mahina. Buti na lang na doon si Jun Bonsi. Ingles, Alatica sa ilalim. CJ Alatica.
No, that's not easy to do.
Now with Formento. Alatica, jumper, got it.
He's red hot this quarter.
Inside, Ladi gets the basket plus the foul.
Not a lot of space for Kian Baclan. Watch this one more time. Very little space to get that in, but Kian Baclan able to get that assist. And
Ingles with a runner. Can't get it to fall. Rebound, Ladi quickly to Baclan. Crossover by Kian. Attacks and scores.
it's always a third.
Kian Baclan.
Para dito kay Kian Baclan.
Bacolod came to Manila in high school, went to PCCSR Criminology School. Gusto daw kasi niya maging polis sana. Then syempre, CEU na. Sabi niya, gusto ko maging polis kasi sa daming magagaling na.
Yan, tama. kinonfirm niya na shooter ka.
Kinonfirm din doon na nakuhanan after the dunk. Danny Ravena, Kian Baclaan. Little cat and mouse.
Pero pag third quarter na, parang
Ayan na naman.
bubulusok na.
Nakaagaw si Kian, sends it to Manday. Oh no, Baksanhan rather.
They want it back.
Manday for three. Got it.
Talk about the ball screen of the three.
It's just making it look so easy. And Manday relocates to the corner. That's his shot.
Made the miss, was the first one to recover defensively. Now he's doing the self side. But Kian Baclaan is just well in control of this quarter.
Jan Baltazar, corner three. Got it.
Emergency pass. That's right. Kinakamusta ka nun, sabi kang laging tinatanong, matuto ka na mag-Ilonggo para makausap mo si Sidel. Nakakapag-usap naman kami ng Tagalog eh.
Seen or heard the Gerson scream. Laddie immediately said, me. In the second quarter against Rizal, there was this guy, maybe.
There's a
Kung
reason.
pwede lang talaga magsama yung ano eh, no? Yung makasagot siya sa mga mga hirit
makabalik.
eh, no? Makabalik. Ball movement up until the catch. Diputado forcing that one in. Escobar. What a finish. Dom Escobar.
The way that Negros played in the first half, this is not a done deal, but they have to get the energy back the same way they started, but it can't start like that.
In control of the second half, Laddie turns around and puts it in.
That's his comfort zone. Itong si Palencia here in the game.
Manangin straight to the cup. Laddie with a rebound. That is rebound number 6 for Keimani Laddie. Kian Baclaan.
See here that quick in and out, and then a 2-foot jump for Kian.
Incredible stuff from Kian Baclaan.
Quarter, they were able to lead by 7, but hasn't been the same ball game for them.
Keimani Laddie with 16 in the ball. Formento fires and hits.
And the only bright spot para dito.
Formento ahead to Alvarez. Misses the jam.
Sorry miss for Mike Alvarez. No need for a slam dunk there. All you need is to put it inside the basket and the fancy.
Oh, Keimani Laddie. Going to be difficult underneath for Keimani Laddie. His strength will be tested every time. And that time he kept his focus. Yuan short. And that should do it. Caloocan picks up its third straight win. This time at
First half, medyo bad start kami pero yun nga, sabi lang ni Coach, hindi namin na-hit yung mga dapat naming i-hit na